Very good afternoon to all the students. I am Dr. Hima Bindu from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and I'll be dealing the subject robotics in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. And my today's topic is discussion on question bank from the module 4, that is the robot application. In the previous session, we have discussed about the trajectory planning, which was the module 4, and today's class we will be discussing about the robot application in module 5. Coming on to the first question, explain the spray painting by robots and list out its advantages. As we all know, spray painting is one of the important concept in the automobile industry, where this particular type of the spray painting system is very toxic and harmful to the workers whoever are working in that particular industry, right? So in order to reduce this particular type of the mean, in order to reduce the environmental constraint, in order to reduce the life or risk being taken by the workers who are working in that particular spray painting, we have introduced a robot where this particular operation will be done by the robot, which is helping the workers who are working in that industry. That is, a spray painting which is being done by the robot involves the use of the robot arms equipped by the spray gun. Here we can see the arms of the robot is equipped by the spray gun, and it is spraying the amount of the spray at the required destination, generally in the automotive manufacturing system. Right? Generally, we use this particular type of the application in the industry setting like automotive manufacturing system. These sort of robots are programmed to follow a specific path and apply paints with precision, ensuring a consistent and even coating. Right? The process is often automated, reducing the need for manual labor and improving the overall efficiency and quality of the painting. That is, it is used to reduce the need of the manual labor, and in order to increase the efficiency of the work. Right? In order to increase the efficiency of the work and the painting process, we will be using robots in the spray painting operation. Right? The advantage of using the spray painting with the help of the robots is that we will be getting a consistent quality and the efficiency increases. The precision and accuracy also increases. That is, when we are considering the quality about the consistent quality, the robot which is doing a spray painting operation ensures that the uniform application of the paint leading to the consistent thickness and finishing across all the parts is equal. That is, it reduces the likelihood of defection like uneven coating or runs. That is, when we are doing manually, we don't know at what constraint we are doing that particular spray painting. At some part it may be more, at some part it may be less. That is the consistency of the quality we cannot identify when we are doing manually. But the same thing which is being done by a robot will give us a good consistent and a quality and a finishing at the overall parts of the automobile manufacturing system. Next is the increased efficiency. That is, when we are using a robot for doing this operation, it is a continuous process without any sort of breaks, which gives us an increased production speed. And not only that, the program which is being given to optimize the paint usage reduces the wastage and lowers the cost. With the help of the spray painting system by robot, the cost is being reduced and the wastage is being reduced. Right? Coming to the precision and accuracy, when we do the painting with the help of the robot, the distance and speed is also very precisely controlled. We will be having a control of the spray pattern, the distance and the speed, which results in higher accuracy compared to the normal manual painting. This precision is particularly important for complex geometry or hard to reach areas. Next, it is also used for improved safety, for flexibility, for cost saving, and environmental friendly operation. Not only these, consistent quality increase efficiency and precision, but it is also useful for improved safety. That is, as I've told you, the chemical whatever we are using in this particular spray painting operation is very toxic, which damages the health of the workers who are working in that particular industry. So, considering the safety of the workers, when we have introduced the robots to do this operation, it is more helpful for the workers. That is, automating the spray painting process reduce the human exposure to harmful fumes, chemicals, and repetitive motion injuries. This leads to safe working environment. Next is the flexibility. How flexible is the robot when we are doing a spray painting? That is, we can give a reprogramming to handle different parts. That is, the program can be reprogrammed to do handling different parts and the design and the paint type, providing versatility for manufacturers to adapt to varying production needs. This is very useful and it is very cost saving also. The work which is being done by 10 laborers is being done by a single robot. So over time, the use of robots can lead to significant cost saving by reducing the, as I've told you, labor cost. The work done by 10 laborers is being completed by one single robot and minimizing the paint waste and lowering the rework rate due to fewer defects. Next, coming to the environmentally friendly operation. That is, the robots can optimize the amount of paint used by reducing the overspray and waste, which in turn decreases the environmental impact. Additionally, they can be integrated with the system that captures and recycles the overspray time. Next is higher productivity. It gives us higher productivity and it is consistent in harsh conditions. That is, higher productivity means the robot, when it is doing the spray painting system, produces lines, can operate at high speed without compromising quality, leading to increase throughout and short lead at time. Or in the harsh condition, the robots can perform consistently in environment that may be challenging for humans, such as areas with the high temperature, toxic fumes, and limited space. Overall, the robots which are used in spray painting enhances the efficiency. It enhances the efficiency, quality, safety, painting process easier in modern manufacturing settings. So this is the use of using spray painting with the help of the robots in the automotive industries. Next, explain pick and place robots for machining operation of plastic molding. As we can see here, the robot, what is this robot doing? It is picking an object and placing it some other location. It is picking an object and placing it some other location. Here also, this robot is having n number of end effectors, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, at a time it is doing the operation of 4 labors. Right? At a time it is doing the operation of 4 labors. That is, pick and place robots are automated systems which are used in the manufacturing and machining operation to handle and manipulate the materials or the components. In the context of plastic molding operation, these robots are playing a very critical role in enhancing the efficiency, precision, and the safety. Right? Coming to the role in plastic molding operation, material handling, precision placement, cycle time. What is the robot doing? Material handling means what is happening here. In the plastic molding process, picking and placing of the robot is being done, where handling the raw materials such as the plastic bullets or the molded parts after they have been formed or they can pick up the parts from the mold and place them on the conveyor belt in a storage bin or directly into the next stage of the production. That is known as the material handling operation. Precision placement means what? Here the robot is ensuring there is a precise placement of the material or the finished product. From the instance they can place inserts into the molds before the plastic is injected or removed in the final product from the mold without causing any sort of damage to the robot. Or the cycle reduction means overall the cycle time of the molding operation has been reduced. In this pick and place process, the overall cycle time of the molding operation has been reduced, and it also increases the production speed and reduces the human errors. Components of pick and place operation. What are the various components which are used in pick and place operation? It is end effector is one of the main important component which is used for pick and place because as we have our hand, right? Our hand is used to hold any object. In the same way, the robot's end effector acts as the hand to hold any of the object, right? So here these are the gripping mechanisms that interact with the material. The end effector is one of the gripping mechanism which interacts with the material. They can be a vacuum type, or they can be a mechanical gripper type, they can be a magnetic gripper type, depending upon the type of the application. Right, depending upon the type of the material being handled, we will be using this particular type of the end effector. When we come across the arm, the robotic arm is the part that moves the end effector. Right? The end effector will be moved with the help of the robot arm. It can have multiple degrees of freedom, allowing for complex movement and precise position. Whereas coming to the control system, the robot brain acts as a controlling the movement based on the pre-programming instructions or the real-time inputs advanced based on the systems use sensors and cameras to improve the accuracy. What are the advantages in plastic molding process? That is consistency and accuracy, increased safety and flexibility. It's any particular robot which can repeatedly be used for performing the task with the high accuracy, which reduces the likelihood of the defects in the molding parts, or by automating the handling of the hot or the sharp parts, the risk to the human workers is minimized. That is when we have any sort of hot or the sharp parts being done. So when we are using the robot, it is used to reduce the human work risk of the human workers, right? The flexibility. Robot can be quickly reprogrammed for different tasks or modes, making them highly adaptable to change in production requirements. And the best applications are injection molding, insert molding, quality inspection. That is here what is happening in the injection molding. After the plastic is injected into the mold and cooled, a pick and place robot can remove the part and transfer it to the next stage such as trimming or packing. When we come across the trimming or packing operation, the injection molding is the best example. Right? When we come across ensuring precision positioning or injection, a plastic is to be injection around them. Robot can place metals inserted into the mold before the plastic is injected around them. That is known as insert molding. And quality inspection in some pick and place robots are integrated with vision system to perform quality checks before transferring these particular type of the parts is known as the quality inspection. Future trends. What do we mean by future trends? Where all can we use this particular type of the robots? That is integrated with artificial intelligence and machine learning. When we are integrating the robots with artificial intelligence and machine learning, the pick and place objects operates based on the real-time data where further improved efficiency and which is used to reduce the waste. In order to improve the efficiency and in order to reduce the waste, this particular artificial intelligence and machine learning, when it has been inserted in the robotics, plays a very important role. And that is one of the future trend. Next is the cobots. Cobot means collaborative robots. That is, when we come across designing the work alongside human or offering the flexibility and safety enhancement, especially in the dynamic environment, this is also one of the important future trend which we come across when we come across the pick and place operation. That is, overall, the pick and place robots are integral to modern plastic molding operation, which provide efficiency, precision, and safety that face a difficulty to achieve through manual processing. So this is about the pick and place operation and the plastic molding. Next, moving on to the third question, is discuss the importance of robot in assembly task. What can we do in assembly task operation? That is, a robot plays a very crucial role in assembling operation tasks which come across the various industries, significantly enhancing efficiency, precision, and safety. Hence, some of the important points are precision and consistency, increased productivity. So, in order to have a consistency and precision in the work, robots excel in performing repetitive tasks with high precision and consistency. That is, in assembly line operation, this ensures that the components are put together with exact tolerance, reducing the errors and improving the product quality. Whenever we need an exact tolerance or whenever we need to reduce the errors and improve the productive quality, we come across the robot to do the assembly task operation for a precision and consistency operation. Next is the increased productivity. In order to increase the productivity, that is, in order to reduce fatigue, in order to increase the leading to high production rates. This is especially a beneficial in high demand manufacturing environment where speed and efficiency are crucial. That is, the robots can operate continuously without any sort of fatigue, leading to high production rates. Next is the cost efficiency. That is, while we initiate the investment in the robotic system, which can be high, they lead to long term cost saving by reducing the labor cost. We initially think that when we are introducing a robot, the investment cost will be more, but at the same time, it is also reducing the labor cost, minimizing the waste and decreasing the need of rework due to the error. Right? It is also reducing the time by reworking operation. It is also decreasing the need for rework due to errors. And next is the safety. Safety means how it is applicable when we come across the hazardous environment or when we require handling dangerous material. Robots can perform these tasks, reducing the risk of injury to human workers and ensuring a safer work environment. Right? Assembly task often involves hazardous environments or require handling dangerous materials. So when we are using robots here, it can be useful for reducing the risk of injury to human workers and also ensures a safe work environment. And flexibility and adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability means the modern robots are highly programmable and can be reconfigured. Right? The modern robots are highly programmable and can be reconfigured for different tasks, making them versatile tools in assembly lines. This flexibility allows the manufacturer to quickly adapt in product design or production process. Next is the quality control. When we come across the quality control, the robot equipment with sensor and cameras can perform real-time quality checks during the assembly process. This helps in detecting the defects earlier, ensuring that only products meet quality standards move forward in the public production line. Coming to the scalability, in scalability, robot can easily be scaled up to meet increasing production demand. This scalability is particularly important for companies looking to expand their operation or enter the new market. And next is integration with AI and IoT, other is artificial intelligence and Internet of Things can optimize assembly process through data driven decisions. That is, when we have a data driven decisions, AI and IoT can be used, where it improves overall time and even predicts the maintenance rate and reduce the downtime. Next is the reduction of human errors and improve work condition. That is, whenever we need to reduce the human errors, using the robot will give us a better improvement by reducing the human errors. That is, by automating the complex or delicate assembly task, robots minimize the risk of human errors, leading to higher overall reliability in manufacturing process. And not only that, by taking over dangerous tasks, robots allow human workers to work on more complex and creative aspects of production, improving job satisfaction and reducing the likelihood of the burnout. Overall, the integration of robot in assembly tasks is crucial in order to enhance the productivity, ensuring the quality and maintaining safety in modern manufacturing environment. Their role is increasingly vital to move towards more automated and intelligent production system. So these are the references which we have gone through. So in today's class, we have come across the applications of the robot assembly task, pick and place object using a plastic molding and spray painting operations. So these are the three important applications in which robot is used to reduce time, reduce the cost, increase the efficiency, and increase the accuracy. Right? So with this, we have completed the question bank discussion in all the 5 modules, that is module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4 and module 5. Right, in the next class, we'll come up with a new concept. So hope you have understood today's session. Signing off for today, Dr. G. Hima Bindu. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.